You go camping or just want to hang out at a beach, backyard, and just, sleep underneath the skies and have one of those nice, comfortable nights, nice fresh air. This is an extra large sleeping bag. Let's go set it up outside and show you what it looks like. We have a sleeping bag. We're gonna take it on out. Comes with a nice handle so you can carry it. It's got a drawstring that you can close the bag up and open up. The handle you pull to unwrap, and you just simply open it up. On the bottom over here where the feet, there's zippers so you can get in for both sides. There's this little cushion here that'll protect you from the zipper area. Tourpacific got a Velcro strap that you open up. Got the nice safety tab that unzips inside and outside. And that is the color of the inside, plaid. Within a few seconds, you're unzipped and you can get into your sleeping bag. Oh man, this is nice and big. Great for the beach. I'm a 6-foot person, and let me tell you, I'm in there nice and comfortable, just about covering my head. Definitely indeed. It is lightweight. You're not going to be wanting going out in -degree weather, but this will be great for spring and fall camping, going to the beach, just laying something out there nice and wide. Now the good thing about this sleeping bag, it opens up and you can have a nice area with a bunch of guests. It is an excellent sleeping bag. Also, you can unzip the whole thing and you can separate it that easy. If you need to re-zipper up, you can close it up. Put the ends on by matching up with the red and the actual zipper and take your time and zip away. It's very easy to fold up and store away. Tourpacific, an excellent bag. Take it wherever you want. Picnic, camp, backyards. I hope you enjoy your big, extra large sleeping bag. Have a great day, everybody.